Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, English XPR. Today I want to share with you a summary of a very famous book. The book is called Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and it was written by Robert Kiyosaki. In this video, you will not only learn about the ideas of the book, but you will also practice your English. Learning English from book summaries is a fun and easy way to improve your language skills while also getting useful knowledge. Robert Kiyosaki grew up with two fathers. One was his real father, who he calls Poor Dad. Poor Dad was a teacher, very educated, but he always had financial problems. The other was his best friend's father, who he calls Rich Dad. Rich Dad did not have a university degree, but he was a businessman and became very wealthy. These two fathers gave Robert very different advice about life and money. Poor Dad always said, study hard, get good grades, and find a secure job. He thought job security was the most important thing. Rich Dad said something different. Learn how money works, build assets, and make money work for you. This was the first big lesson. The poor and middle class work for money, but the rich make money work for them. Many people live in fear of being poor, so they work hard for a paycheck. At the same time, desire makes them spend everything they earn. This creates a cycle. Work, earn, spend, repeat. Rich Dad showed Robert that to escape this trap, you must control fear and desire. Another important lesson is financial literacy. It is not about how much money you make, but how much you keep. You must understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, like investments, rental houses, or stocks. Liabilities take money out, like loans, debts, or buying expensive things that do not generate income. Many people think their house is an asset, but if it costs money every month, it is actually a liability. Rich people buy assets and reduce liabilities. Rich Dad also told Robert to mind his own business. Most people spend their lives working for other people's businesses. They build wealth for their employer, but not for themselves. Rich Dad said, even if you have a job, use your salary to invest in your own assets. Build your own business, buy stocks, or invest in real estate. Another big difference between the rich and the poor is how they deal with taxes. Employees earn, pay taxes, and then spend what is left. Corporations earn, spend on expenses, and then pay taxes on what remains. Rich Dad explained that the rich use corporations to protect their money and pay less tax legally. Learning how taxes and laws work is part of financial intelligence. The rich also invent money. They see opportunities where other people only see problems. Poor Dad would say, I can't afford it. Rich Dad would ask, how can I afford it? This change in thinking creates new solutions. The rich use knowledge and creativity to make money from opportunities that others do not notice. Rich Dad also advised Robert to work to learn, not just work for money. Skills are more important than salary. Skills like communication, sales, marketing, and investing will always open doors. Instead of asking, how much will this job pay? Ask, what will I learn from this job? The more you learn, the more freedom you have in the future. Robert also talks about the obstacles that stop people from becoming rich. Fear, doubt, laziness, bad habits, and arrogance all keep people trapped. Rich Dad taught him that the rich face these obstacles too, but they overcome them. They take action, learn from mistakes, and keep moving forward. Knowledge is not enough. Action is what makes the difference. Many people read books or take courses about money, but they never start investing. Rich Dad told Robert to take small steps, look for opportunities, and keep growing. Success comes from trying, failing, and learning, not just from reading. The main lessons are clear. The rich don't work for money. They make money work for them. They buy assets, not liabilities. They focus on building their own business, learning new skills, and overcoming fear. This is how financial freedom is created, and that is the summary of Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. I hope this helps you learn some new English words and ideas about money at the same time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, you can check out more similar videos on my channel. See you later. Goodbye.